melts today that are actually a tribute to a deli classic sandwich that's traditionally made, well, a Reuben with corned beef or a Rachael with roast turkey. So we took ground turkey and spiced it so it tastes sort of like corned beef. We've got mustard and coriander and Worcestershire, garlic and onion, lots of black pepper, and a little allspice running through the burger itself. We made our patties, cook them till they're just cooked through. Don't overcook them. These are thin patties, so they'll cook in about 6 or 7 minutes, turning once. Pull the patties off your griddle or grill and wipe it down, and then you're gonna make the special sauce. Now, they usually put Thousand Island or Russian dressing on a Reuben, which is mayonnaise-based. I like the tang of sour cream, so I use sour cream as the base for my Russian dressing, and I take organic ketchup, mix that into sour cream, along with a dash of Worcestershire, a little salt and pepper, some sweet pickle relish, little dash of hot sauce. I know, that's why I make my own, it's delicious. And a little squirt of lemon juice. This is a wonderful dressing, fun for any kind of sandwich. And then a little bit of fresh, finely chopped chive. So you've got that mild onion flavor, the pickle flavor, Worcestershire ketchup, and the tang of the sour cream in your delicious secret sauce. Here we go. Stir that to combine. Now, anytime you're making a patty melt or a grilled cheese sandwich, take some butter, let it come to room temperature so it's nice and soft. Lightly butter the outside of your sandwich. Don't throw a blob of butter down on the skillet or the griddle. One side will be all greasy, the other side will be too dry. You want your griddle to be between medium and medium-low heat because you want to give the cheese time to melt. And you're very lightly buttering this. You don't want the sandwich to feel greasy. Then we're gonna start building the patty melt. Russian on one side and spicy brown mustard on the other side. I'm gonna go with Gruyere on one side and some Munster on the other. Our Russian dressing goes down, our Munster goes down, and then a little sauerkraut on everybody's Reuben, right? A little sauerkraut. Give it a rinse and then warm it up in a little pot on the stovetop. You're gonna be delicious. And then the most important part, right? Your patty. Put it all together and pop it back onto the griddle. We're gonna let that work. I'll meet you right back here in a couple. So these are our big, beautiful patty melts. And it's a riff on a Reuben sandwich. You know, Reuben is corned beef and sauerkraut and Thousand Island dressing and cheese. Well, in this case, we made it a Rachael. We used ground turkey for our patties, and then we spiced it like corned beef. So it had lots of paprika, onion, garlic, allspice, coriander, mustard running through the burger itself. We made our own tangy Thousand Island or Russian dressing. Sour cream is the base, a little Worcestershire, the ketchup, the relish, your usual suspects, right? Then a little brightness from lemon juice, a little dash of hot sauce, and chives running through. So we made our own dressing for one side, and then on the other side, a nice spicy brown mustard, a combo of Gruyere and Munster cheese, and then big, beautiful deli pickles. Cut a big slab of pickle and put it on the side. How fun is burger night, right?